Nervous system science. Learning objectives. List the functions of the nervous system. Identify the three kinds of nerves. Describe the functions of different parts of the brain. Describe the structure of the sense organ and their care. Nervous system. Nervous system is a very important system of the human body. It controls all the functions of the human body. It makes us aware of our surroundings. It allows us to think, learn and remember. It coordinates and controls the other system of the body. This is a nerve cell, or you can say neuron. The nervous system is made up of the following nerves. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. The network of nerves is spread throughout our body. The nerves are made up of thousands of nerve cells which carry signals to and from the spinal cord and brain. There are three types of nerves in our body. Sensory nerves. These nerves connect the sense organs with the brain and the spinal cord. They carry sensations information from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves. These nerves connect the brain or the spinal cord to a muscle or to an gland. The messages sent by the brain or the spinal cord through motor nerves allow the movement of muscles or help in secretion of juices by the gland. Mixed nerves. They carry sensations to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. The nervous system is made up of the following: brain, cerebrum, big brain, cerebellum, small brain, medulla, brainstem. The brain controls and coordinates the functioning of the entire body. It lies in the upper half of the skull. The brain is surrounded by a fluid which protects it against jerks and injuries. There are three main parts of the brain. Cerebrum, big brain. It is the main and the bigger part of the brain. It has many folds on its surface. The cerebrum controls different functions such as thinking, reasoning, learning, remembering, taking decisions, and feelings. Cerebellum, small brain. It controls and coordinates the muscular activities related to voluntary muscles like running, walking, sitting, standing, and dancing. It also helps in maintaining the balance of the body. Medulla, brainstem. It is a stem-shaped region of the brain which connects it to the spinal cord. It controls the involuntary actions of the body like breathing and heartbeat. It works even while we are asleep. This is our brain. The nervous system is made up of the following: spinal cord. The spinal cord is made up of bundles of nerve fibers. It is protected by the vertebral column. It extends from the medulla and passes through the complete vertebral column. Thousands of nerves branch out from the spinal cord and reach all the parts of the body. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you. Bye.